just power down the internal unit, so just press the power icon in the bottom right hand corner. Just isolate both the supplies and do the panel at the bottom. So you're just going to isolate each one of these, spin that round a bit, and then pull off that retaining clip, but just give that a wiggle. And then on this one you'll see that that is just completely clogged up. Push that in, pop your retaining clip back on, so open them, and there we go. Come back inside, and what you're going to do is press the power icon in the bottom right hand corner to power the system back up.